Hey everybody, Dylan Lee here, and this is this week's Tampa Bay housing market recap. Let's get right into it, folks. We are beginning to trend more towards a balanced market, but let's add some context to it. All right, now first, the numbers. As you can see on the ticker below, right now we've got 36,363 active homes on the market. Said another way, these are the homes that have not sold yet. Now let's go for the homes that have sold. Just last week, 1,902 homes sold. 2 weeks ago, 1,974. 3 weeks ago, 1,903. Before we were in a bit of an irrational market, but now we are very much so in a rational market. All right. 4.5 months worth of inventory. This is an interesting time. And I said on the podcast with Jackie Baker up in New Jersey, I'm going to sound like I'm talking through both sides of my mouth right now. It's a great time to buy and it's a great time to sell. Here's why. If you're looking to buy, mortgage rates are beginning to trickle down some, especially with the good news on inflation, the CPI. Great news with that as well. The Fed next week is supposed to make an announcement on whether they'll be raising interest rates or not. Everyone expects them to, whether it be 0.25% or 0.5%. That remains to be seen. All right. But right now, interest rates are coming down in the mortgage world. More folks, month to month, from December to January, they saw a 28% increase of applications. Now, that doesn't mean that these are going to be folks that are buying right now. These are going to be folks that are going to be buying within the next few months. All right. And some of them aren't going to buy. All right. Now, here in Tampa Bay, this is, right after the holidays, we get a little bit of a bump with our housing market. A lot of the folks that said that they were going to wait until after the holidays are now in the game. You also have a lot of snowbirds that are coming down looking to buy properties. Just a couple weeks ago, we did have multiple offer situations. Hopefully, that's not really going to be the case throughout the year. We will need a stabilization, within the housing market because we don't want the Fed to utilize their heavy-handedness again. But that is, to be seen. Now, I spoke earlier about why it's a great idea to buy. Now, here's why it's a great idea to sell right now. All right. So we're still technically in a seller's market. 4.5 months worth of inventory. Certainly a seller's market. If you are looking to sell right now, you'll be getting your home active on the market before our typical spring market begins. Now, if you have an influx of buyers coming in right now, and week over week, we did see a 7% increase of mortgage applications, which is a huge number. If you're able to get your home, price it right, but get your home on the market before the influx of other properties go live, you're not going to have as much competition. You just won't. So right now, if you're looking to buy, it's a fantastic time because there are homes that have been sitting on the market for a while that weren't priced appropriately and kind of chased the market down. If you are looking to sell, it is a great time because get your property out there before our spring market where the competition now is not going to be as great. All right. That is the Tampa Bay housing market recap for the week of January 27th. I'm Dylan Lee of the Tony Baroni team. You can call me at 813-313-7056. Email me at dylan@tonybaroni.com, or you can catch me where I blog at sellthegolf.com. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.